are, in your opinion, the most compelling evidences about the fact that we move beyond the Holocene conditions?
I think the most convincing evidence is really a range of very big changes, which are usually considered separately. So one is the change to the atmosphere and climate, and that is already big in many respects. Another one is the various biological changes, the extinctions, the thousands of species invasions between every continent and every ocean on Earth. That is a unique biological change, and that took place more or less at the same time. Another big change is all of the different kinds of pollution that we have, from plastics pollution to persistent organic pollutants and so on. These again will be very long-lived. So there's a raft of signals, by which we understand and define the Anthropocene. But I think those three areas, are the ones that are usually in my head about that.
And in your opinion, how can the concept of Anthropocene help in building awareness in the public about the theme related to global environmental changes?
I think one is it puts a lot of information together and integrates information in a way that tries to describe how a planet is changing, and to get away from trying to think of just climate change, or just pollution, or just that. So it's an integrative concept in that sense. It's also very real. Geology is real. We have rocks we can pick up, and hit with a hammer, in that. So the Anthropocene, understood as strata, is a very, if you like, compelling and visceral way of understanding climate change. So we look at things like plastics. And if you understand that is part of the bigger Anthropocene change, you have a better impression of what's going on around you. So I think it has been helpful in that kind of respect, bringing different stories together.